Hey there, future millionaires. Want to learn how to make some serious cash? Look no further than the stock market. It's like a giant auction where you can buy and sell pieces of companies, also known as stocks. The stock market can be intimidating, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you. With a little knowledge and a lot of guts, you can turn your hard-earned savings into a mountain of wealth. Think of it like this. Instead of letting your money sit in a savings account earning peanuts, you can invest it in companies you believe in. If those companies do well, so do you. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. Before you start throwing your money around, let's cover the basics. When you buy a stock, you're buying a tiny slice of ownership in a company. Companies issue stock to raise money. They use that money to grow their business, develop new products, or hire more employees. As a shareholder, you're along for the ride. The price of a stock goes up and down based on supply and demand. If more people want to buy a stock than sell it, the price goes up. If more people want to sell than buy, the price goes down. It's that simple. But don't let the simplicity fool you. There's a lot more to learn, so keep reading. Now for the fun part, choosing which stocks to buy. This is where you get to play detective and uncover hidden gems in the market. Start by thinking about industries you're familiar with. Do you love technology? Consider investing in tech giants like Apple or Microsoft. Are you passionate about sustainability? Look into renewable energy companies. Once you've identified some promising industries, it's time to dig deeper. Read company profiles, analyze their financial statements, and pay attention to industry news. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about a company, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. You've done your research, you found a company you believe in, and now it's time to buy. But hold on a second. There's a bit more to it than just clicking buy on your brokerage account. Timing is everything in the stock market. You want to buy low and sell high, but that's easier said than done. Don't try to time the market perfectly. Instead, focus on finding good companies with solid fundamentals and hold on to them for the long haul. Remember, the stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs along the way, but if you've chosen wisely, your investments should weather the storm. Section 5, the long game strategies for sustainable investing. Speaking of the long haul, let's talk about long-term investing. This is where the real money is made. By holding onto your investments for years, even decades, you give your money time to grow exponentially. One popular long-term investing strategy is called buy and hold. This involves buying shares of a company and holding on to them for an extended period, regardless of short-term market fluctuations. Another strategy is called dollar-cost averaging. This involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the stock price. This helps to average out your purchase price over time and reduces your risk. Section 6. Dividends and growth. Two flavors of stock market success. There are two main ways to make money in the stock market: dividends and growth. Some companies pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. This is like getting a regular paycheck from your investments. Other companies reinvest their profits back into the business to fuel growth. This can lead to a higher stock price over time, which means bigger profits for you when you sell. The best investments offer a combination of both dividends and growth. These companies are like well-oiled machines, generating cash flow and expanding their operations simultaneously. Section 7. Avoiding common pitfalls. Don't be a stock market statistic. The stock market can be a dangerous place, especially for beginners. It's important to be aware of the common pitfalls that can sabotage your investment success. One of the biggest mistakes investors make is letting their emotions get the best of them. When the market takes a dive, it's tempting to panic and sell everything. But remember, the stock market is cyclical. What goes down must come up. Another common mistake is chasing after hot tips and get-rich-quick schemes. There's no shortcut to success in the stock market. Stick to your investment strategy. Do your research. And don't be afraid to seek professional advice when needed. Section 8. The power of compounding. Watch your money grow exponentially. One of the most amazing things about the stock market is the power of compounding. Compounding is the process of earning interest on your interest, and it can turn a small investment into a fortune over time. Think of it like a snowball rolling downhill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow and gets bigger and bigger. The same thing happens with your investments when you reinvest your earnings. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to compound. Even if you can only invest a small amount each month, it will add up over time. Section 9. Take charge of your future. Start investing today. So there you have it, folks, the basics of stock market investing. It's not rocket science, but it does require knowledge, discipline, and a bit of guts. Remember, the stock market is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals. By investing wisely and staying the course, you can secure your financial future and live the life of your dreams. So what are you waiting for? Open a brokerage account, start researching companies, and take charge of your financial destiny today. The stock market awaits.